Welcome to our tutorial about dimensions. We already know about the general dimension tool from a previous tutorial, so let me cover some basic dimension concepts. When I select a line, for example, I create a linear dimension. If I select two lines at an angle to each other, then I create an angular dimension. Let's right-click and delete those. And let's take a look at the baseline dimension set. Actually, first let's create a centerline bisector. And one here. Now let's click on Baseline Dimension Set. We'll select the baseline and these center lines and this circle. Now right-click, Continue. Left-click and place the dimension. Right-click, Create. If I want to make this line the baseline, I right-click and select Make Origin. Right-click here, Make Origin. If I want to add a member, I right-click and choose Add Member. And then right-click and Done. If I want to delete a member, I right-click and select Delete Member. I can also right-click and select Detach Member. Now this dimension is separate. Let's go ahead and delete these dimensions. Now let's take a look at ordinate dimension. Let's select a view and then a baseline. Right-click and Continue. Left-click to place the baseline. Let's select the second line now, and the third, and the circle, and the last circle. Now right-click, Done. And we've placed a few ordinate dimensions. Let's drag, select, and delete. Delete this one, and this one. And that one. Let's use the ordinate dimension set now. Again, right-click, Continue. The second dimension, third dimension, fourth dimension, and the last one. Right-click, Create. Here is our ordinate dimension set. I can right-click and select Make Origin. I can right-click to delete a member, or right-click to add a member. Okay, let's finish up. Right-click, Done. Direction. And this concludes our tutorial about dimensions.